the state. But Maulana Masood Hasan Kazmi, I'm coming to you. You've been debating on this issue of the Nupur Sharma comment on my shows and otherwise for quite some time. Exactly what is going on, Kazmi ji? ये कब तक लोग नुपुर शर्मा के नाम पे या किसी सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट के नाम पे, सरतन से जुदा के नाम से, ये कब तक हम टॉलरेट करेंगे?
शिवानी जी, first of all, I condemn this killing. This person blood is our blood. Hindus brothers blood is our brother. Our blood is Hindus brother, because our ancestors are the same. This is Indians' murder, and this is brutal meeting. And quickly, perpetrators should be arrested, and harshest punishment will be given to him. Coming after that, Nupur Sharma is also the daughter of this country. People who used abusive language against Prophet, they are also, their lives are also important for us, and law of the land should take against them. No sartan se juda, nothing should happen. But my point is, for long time, PFI in the news, PFI doing is that, what is stopping the government to ban this PFI?
Okay.
This PFI, why has not been banned?
I'll come to that. I was going to come to that. I'm reserving that because frankly, this has also become a joke that every time something happens in some of these southern states, PFI's name comes up. And every time we have also debated that if PFI is so dangerous and so active, then why is nothing happening? But Maulana Kazmi ji, I repeat my question to you. एक सवाल जो लोगों के दिमाग में है कि चलिए प्रॉफिट के खिलाफ कुछ बोला गया तो बहुत सारे मुसलमान उतरे सड़कों पे, उन्होंने थोड़ा सा प्रोटेस्ट भी किया और प्रोटेस्ट वायलेंट भी हुए, पुलिस से भी झड़प हुई. चलिए एक तरफ मैं समझ सकती हूँ वो गुस्सा था, लेकिन जब प्रॉफिट के नाम पे ये किलिंग्स होती हैं तब क्यों नहीं निकलते हैं? समाज की तरफ से वो मैसेज कहां जा रहा है फैनेटिक्स को, रेडिकल्स को, कि ये हम बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे. नॉट इन माय नेम, नॉट इन द नेम ऑफ माय प्रॉफिट.
Not a single Maulana supported this.
Sir, वो बात नहीं होती ना, सिर्फ सपोर्ट ना करना is not the, that's the bare minimum. Of course you will not support it openly. There will be a case against you. बट जब सड़क पे उतरने के लिए सब इतने उतारू रहते हैं, तो जब किलिंग्स हो रही हैं फेथ के नाम पे, तब क्यों नहीं उतरते हैं? जब टेररिस्ट ग्रुप्स, ये जैश ए मोहम्मद क्या है, किसके नाम पे है? इन टेररिस्ट ग्रुप्स के खिलाफ कभी ये प्रदर्शन क्यों नहीं होते हैं?
स्पेसिफिक तमाम कम्युनिटी के लोगों को एक साथ आना चाहिए.
नहीं, तमाम कम्युनिटी के लोग आएंगे सर मौलाना जी, लेकिन ये सबकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इक्वली नहीं है. और ये सबकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इक्वली नहीं है.
शंभूलाल रैगर जैसे लोगों के खिलाफ भी आना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल आना चाहिए. और उस वक्त हिंदू समाज पे बहुत सवाल उठते हैं सर. बट मेरा आपसे ये सवाल है that why don't Muslims in India who don't believe in this come out on the streets, do a peaceful protest, that we will not tolerate it. चुप रहना भी सही नहीं है ना इस मामले में. Shivani, my message to Muslim community is that Muslim people should realize that the future of Udaipur, Riyaz Attari and Ghaus Muhammad and Salman Chishti and Gohar, they are real enemy of Islam. They have tarnished the Indian Muslims image all over the world, and we must condemn them, and we should. But it's not happening. Mere platitudes and condemnations by Muslim leaders also. Obviously, nobody will support this mindless killing. But sir, just that is not enough ना. इतना outrage अगर किसी एक killing पे होता है तो दूसरी killing पे भी होना चाहिए ना. Anyway, sir, I have limited time. Gokul Chandran has not spoken. Gokul, how do you read the situation, especially from the light of the role of the PFI and the SDPI, whose name keeps cropping up? Do you think states like Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and others must come together and formulate a strategy? Because it's becoming quite clear that they're crossing borders as well.
Yeah, good evening, Shivani. Though I know you want to wrap up your show, but don't give me just 30 seconds and wrap it. Give me at least 2 minutes. Okay, regarding PFI, see, it is in Karnataka and Kerala, mostly there is a breeding ground of PFI, and we know that it is the state governments of the particular state, let it be Kerala or Karnataka, they want PFI to grow so that they can communally divide the people and reap in the votes. That is the basic point why PFI is not being banned by BJP. Otherwise, on a stroke of a pen, they could have banned PFI and settled that matter forever. The other thing you asked about Nupur Sharma, because people are condemning Nupur Sharma that they are being killed. No, if that is the case, whoever condemned killing of Kanhaiya Lal, the 99% of Indians would have been killed by now. No, that is not the case. This is the fight between extremist Hindus and extremist Muslims, and don't allow Hindus and Muslims in between. These extremist Muslims and extremist Hindu, they have an agenda in place. They want to divide people, they want to kill people each other, and they want to create unrest in the nation. And they act in a particular manner to help someone, particularly to help the party BJP, so that BJP can get votes, BJP can reap benefits from these communal clashes. These extremists, let it be PFI or STPI, they are being allowed to grow or supported indirectly by BJP and not banning them for the same particular reason.
Okay.
So the state government, let it be the Karnataka state government or the center, they should show enough courage to ban PFI.
I think that ban will have to
finish
come
this
from
issue.
the center government, and I think there has been indications that they're looking at it. But yes, Varun, you wanted to say something. 30 seconds.
I
please.
just wanted to
Right
ask
from
Mr.
April
Mukherjee,
2002
how
we are
can you
talking.
say that a Hindu is getting to promote BJP? What kind of lame suggestion or lame statement is that? Extremist Hindus.
Of course.
I have never seen a Hindu
See, let
going
it be
on
Mr.
the street saying
OIC,
that
let
we
it
need
be
to
the
get some-
PFI,
Wait
STPA,
a second,
all
sir.
are be supporting
Are
BJP in a way or
and
other.
SDPI is separate. You saying that a Hindu is getting himself killed so that BJP gets benefit out of it. I mean,
Okay, I
I've
will
never
reply
heard
you.
such lame a statement.
See,
Please. There has been never
in
such a lame
last 3
statement than
months,
this.
3 BJP karyakartas have been killed. What did you do? What did BJP do? Did BJP
Absolutely,
do
ask that
anything for the
question, but are you
karyakartas?
saying that
No.
BJP
What did
is
it
getting
show? Nothing.
themselves-
You have
BJP
done
is getting
nothing.
themselves killed
That's
so that
why,
BJP benefits. What's lame? There cannot be anything lamer than this.
that's why today,
Talk sense.
listen, that's why Nalin Katil was heckled away from that place today. Nalin
Okay.
Katil ran away from this place.
I think the
because
central
he was
argument that
questioned by
Gokul is
BJP
making
karyakartas.
is that
Shame on
sometimes
BJP
you
leadership.
allow these things to fester, and this is a long-standing charge against the BJP. You allow these things to fester because electorally, then you get benefit out of polarization. But I will also add that polarization doesn't help one party alone. BJP may benefit more, but it benefits the others also. And no party is frankly above board when it comes to religious communal politics in India. Sab pander karte
But
hain
Congress,
apne
but
apne vote
Congress doesn't believe. No, Congress doesn't believe in polarization of politics. Congress believes in development of politics.
कांग्रेस ने जितना किया उतना किसी और ने नहीं किया
Congress
याद
doesn't
हो
get benefited also. Congress loses
Oh,
in
please, Congress doesn't
polarization.
get
Whenever there is a
benefited.
No, Congress doesn't believe in
Congress party
appeasement or
loses.
polarization. Definitely, I'm telling the BJP has failed
Congress
in
has
keeping
never
up the
worked
promise
for
of
polarization.
maintaining law and
And
order
they
in the
will have to
capital
answer
state.
the public.
Dude,
Elections are also a
100%.
factor as far as the state of Karnataka is concerned. I do thank you, all our guests, for joining us. Some will continue.